So, today I want to make myself something like this. This one is actually still a work in progress, but yes, I am trying to make a trolley for my bike. This comes underneath the bike stand, and then you just put your bike on there and you can push your bike around. But this one is much too it's not heavy duty, so my bike is about almost 200 kgs, and it bends it, and then it's on the ground and it won't move. So what I'm gonna use, I don't think, but I've got a few heavy pieces of metal lying around. Like this, baby. This thing is quite strong. So, and this is also something I might be using to reinforce that. Yeah, so we'll see. When I put the wheels on this one, I can maybe I'll use the same L brackets I made, or I cut. Then I can just reinforce them like I did there, but that didn't work. Didn't work well, and it doesn't feel secure enough to put your bike on there, especially if you care about your bike. But yeah, let's see how this goes, and we'll see. Maybe I'll make a time lapse of it. Right, I still have a bit of finishing to do on this, but it's done. Oops, made strong, and I can now move around the bike without any hassles. Just get in there. Okay, it's fairly easy to get it on, and yeah, just as in all the other, I don't know, videos, the guys they can move the bike freely into a position they want. So if I want the bike, let's say, parked like that, I'll just pull it back, drive it into the spot I want, and push it in. Nice and quick and easy. Cool.